Okay, look at this, guys. There is a brand new model. It has different modalities now. MiniMax just dropped. So MiniMax M3 is a multimodal foundation model from MiniMax. It supports text, image, and video inputs with text output. A 1 million context window and suited for long horizon agentic. If I have to read this phrase one more time, I don't know. I'm going to quit YouTube, I swear. Coding and tool use. It is built on MiniMax Sparse Attention, MSA, which replaces full attention with KV. I don't know what any of this means. Roughly 1/20th of the cost of the previous generation at 1 mil tokens with substantially faster prefill and decode while retaining quality across most tasks. Now, Minimax for me has not really been that good in the past, but what I will say is this one does seem extremely fast. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this is a very, very fast model. Just so you guys know, I'm using this inside Claude Code, right? So you can do this by using Claude Code Router. So this is the one that I use. There's obviously different ways to do everything, guys. I don't know why people feel the need to comment saying you can do this without Claude Code Router. Like, I get it. I just use Claude Code Router, right? So just Google Claude Code Router if you do want to use Claude Code with different models, including these Chinese models. Now, I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I'm just doing plan mode, just because I wanted to see what it came out with. Now, one thing just quickly to mention is there is currently 50% off the MiniMax provider for the first 7 days of June. So that comes out at 0.30 and 120 output. It's already been used 2.2 billion. It's already used 2.2 billion tokens, which is pretty crazy. And yeah, a lot of people using it inside Hermes. This is pretty common. Also Pi, which is becoming more and more popular. I might have to test out Pi, but I haven't had time just yet. Just while this is loading, guys, I may as well just shout myself out. This is HarborSEO.ai. This is my tool that I created to help people basically write optimized SEO content for their businesses for a very, very good price. It's 29 euros a month, and you can generate a crap ton of content with that. These are the current stats. So we've got 856 pages published, 500,000 impressions, 4,000 clicks, which is a very, very good return on investment for basically anyone. So yeah, go and check out Harbor, guys. There'll be a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Okay, so this plan has now finished. Normally I don't do plans, but I was just curious what would happen if I did a plan. So plan is now approved. It's going to start smashing this out. This might take a little bit of time. It is 5:30 in the morning. Don't ask. But yeah, I'll probably wait for this to build and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're starting with about $15 worth of credits, guys. We'll see how much this actually costs by the end of the build as well. But yeah, guys, I have to say, I've been pretty impressed with the models from China recently. DeepSeek Pro, a lot of people didn't like it. I thought it was a really, really good model, to be honest with you. You can see people agree. Not only is this like ludicrously cheap, it's actually a pretty good model. Another one is Mimo as well. I've been using Mimo a fair amount myself, and I have to say, another really, really good model. People agree as well. That's a lot of weekly tokens. Like if you compare this to Opus 4.7, that's 2.38 trillion tokens, which I'm surprised by. Honestly, I would not have expected that. I wonder, it'll be Hermes, like controlling agent or whatever they're called. Oh, Claude Code, Hermes, yeah. So I guess this is what people are using Opus for, which is why there's so many tokens. So yeah, it looks like DeepSeek V4 Flash is the most popular. HY3 preview, that's interesting to see here. So I probably have to test this out, honestly. That is a lot of tokens. But yeah, you can see Mimo here, DeepSeek V4. These are kind of the models that most people use. Gemini 3 Flash, I am not surprised to see here at all. I would have expected to see GPT-5 Nano here, potentially. But apparently not. This is definitely interesting. Yeah, Step 3 7 Flash. This one was just released as well. I did see this yesterday. Haven't had time to test this out, but people like this model for Hermes again. Interesting. But yeah, just jumping back to MiniMax, this is what we are currently testing. I have not been massively impressed by MiniMax. This is actually MiniMax M3, which do they normally put in there? MiniMax M2.7, yeah, they do. But yeah, they've slashed the price. This will be the eventual price is $2.40. So they have increased the price, which most people, from what I understood, their biggest thing with MiniMax was that it was cheap. So it looks like they have increased the price. So this is with 50% off. So the normal price is 60. So they've tripled the price. and also double the output price. I'm not sure people are going to like that. I have to say, it's used completely nothing so far in terms of money. Um, so yeah, it's definitely very, very cheap still. I don't know what this has come from. I don't know why this is here. Nano, but seems a bit random. That might be Harbor actually. So yeah, another thing that people talk a lot about is the API and token plan on MiniMax. I'm not going to talk about it in this video, but apparently it's pretty good value for money. And it looks like Opus 4.7 being beaten by Browse Comp. I don't know what that means, guys. Honestly, I don't know how important benchmarks are. They're very often benchmarked for sure. And it does look like it's open weight as well. So the first open weight model with 3 frontier capabilities. I don't know if they've released it just now. Let's check. So MiniMax M3 Hugging Face. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if this is it, but yeah, I'm not really a big open weights guy, to be honest with you. I will eventually get a Mac that can run them, but for now, I'm just kind of guessing. This looks like it might be it, but yeah, they haven't posted it to the top of their organization card just yet. So let's see what Reddit has to say. So another model that has vision, seems cheap and efficient. Nice. Um, the new Step 3.7 Flash has vision. Interesting. But I don't see the weights or even mention the number of parameters. Anyone know more than me? Weights will be released in the next few days. Yeah, so I mean, people kind of agree with me with Minimax. So this is either way bigger than 250 billion parameters, benchmarks to previously unachievable levels of success, a breakthrough that will be a landmark moment in the open weight space forever. It's definitely not that one. And then this guy says every Minimax model has claimed to be SOTA among open source and has never gone anywhere. I do agree with this. I haven't found like massive success with Minimax, but we will see. This seems to be doing a fairly good job. But yeah, we'll see in a second how it's built. It's been running for 17 minutes, and yeah, the cost is very good, very very good. It seems to be quite token efficient. That is what people generally do say about this model or these models, Minimax. Seems to be very very token efficient. Oh, what? Wow, this is insane. This is the what? What the fuck? This is the best I've ever seen. What? Like, I mean, this is really weirdly written. Okay, wow. Yeah, they might be cooking. They might be cooking. Now, I don't know if this is because I use plan mode. I might have to redo this test tomorrow when it's not almost 6 o'clock in the morning. This is just a cache error. I might have to retest it without plan mode, but this is looking pretty insane, I have to say. This is because it's still coding, by the way. It hasn't actually finished. This is probably the best design I've ever seen. Really premium level design. The technical build is good too. It just looks like it's not because it's getting hit with Next.js cache errors. Okay, so the only issue is if I press uh, Italian when I'm not on the home page, it doesn't work, but that's actually a very, very common error. Again, this is just cache errors because it's still coding. Guys, I can't believe how good this is. Um, I need to test this out more because this is completely absurd how good this is. But yeah, for now, I think I'm gonna leave the video there. It's late. This is worth testing, guys. This cost absolutely nothing. Let's just go to credits. Yeah, it costs less than 60 cents. And yeah, the code quality here is fucking amazing. One of the best I've ever seen, design-wise, for sure. Guys, go and check this out for yourselves. Minimax is cooking something over there, for sure. There's a few issues you can see, but just, yeah, overall, insanely well done. Wow. But yeah, I mean, definitely worth a check. Definitely worth a try. That is some next level shit right there. Really, really good quality. That's really nice. I'm gonna do a few more tests on this tomorrow, guys, but this might be the new best in slot model. And I would have to say the design here is better than Opus. The design here is better than Opus 4.8. That's not an exaggeration. Thank you so much for watching. Go and check out HarborSEO.ai. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. I need to go to sleep. Peace out.